Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Yes, I'm hot and thing, the sun hot today. I'm standing by the pond. There's a little pond at the college, so get a nice little view before I get into the topic. Now, I know YouTube might demonetize this video because they have been doing it. It's not only the big YouTubers that they have demonetized the video from, they start to do it to the small YouTubers like myself. And the videos that they don't want to monetize is the videos that you have your own opinion and a take on. The video that I did about young girls wearing makeup, they demonetize it, claiming that they don't feel it's right to have advertisement on that video where you state your opinion and stuff like that. So I guess YouTube, I don't know, the sponsor don't want to associate themselves with people have their own opinion or against certain things. So, and they did it to one more video that I talk about how do you feel about the word nigger. So I guess, you know, I don't know what's going on, but anyway, this one I want to talk about, they might demonetize it, whatever it is, I don't really care. Yeah, so it's about the guy named Steve that in Oakland, in Ohio, that killed the man. It's all over the news, and he died yesterday. My take on it is that it's evil, it's wrong, and I'm saying, why would you go and kill somebody because you're angry at your girlfriend and your girlfriend mother? Why are you so weak? Why are you so evil and vile? And pretty much he's a coward. He's a coward for doing that, and then you turn around and kill yourself. My question is, and I know a lot of people won't agree with me, but I don't really care. Why you never just kill yourself and done? Like, kill yourself first before you actually kill the old man. The poor little old man going home, and you decide to kill him and blame it on your girlfriend. Fam, it's not your girlfriend's fault. Nobody caused you to do this, or nobody is at fault. You did this. There's nobody to be blamed. There's not Facebook Live to be blamed. There's nobody to be blamed but this man for killing himself. And the second thing is, I'm against this carrying gun and all these things. I just don't like guns. That's just I've never fired a gun before. I'm not up for the gun thing. But this is a culture that is here in the US, and they like the guns and they want to carry the gun and they want this and they love the guns. Reducing access to gun can prevent some of these things. Not to say that somebody can use a knife and run up on you like they did in England and stab people, or use a car and run over people, or use a golf stick. But the chances of somebody coming towards you with a knife to stab you up, you can actually run to save your life, but you can't run from a bullet. You know, you can't run from a bullet. And the point I'm trying to make is, if they reduce the access to these guns and pass laws to reduce, you know, people just randomly getting a gun, or, you know, kids buying guns and planning to shoot up schools, and, you know, people, the next situation that happened was in California the other day, in the same area that the shooting took place. This guy got jealous and he went into the school and he shoot his girlfriend and shoot himself and I think somebody else. I'm saying, every instance you have these people getting angry, the first thing that they think of is to get a gun and shoot people and kill people. I'm saying, if you're going to kill yourself in the end, just kill yourself from the get-go. Kill yourself from the start. Just end your life. Simple. If you want to take people's life, then take yours. Take yours first. It's as simple as that. Take your own life first. That's all I'm saying. That's all. That's how I see it, and it makes sense to me that way. It doesn't make sense to take somebody else's life. Innocent people like that don't deserve to be killed. You're fed up with the world. You're angry at your girlfriend. Look how much woman out there. Look how much woman in the world. And that I don't understand. And you're gonna kill yourself for one woman. One woman. You see what I say? That don't make no sense to me. That don't make any sense to me. kill yourself and done. And enough more out there where a plan to kill people or plan to go up on a shooting spree and disrupt society. Kill yourself and done first. Take the gun and shoot yourself first if you're going to kill somebody. Don't kill innocent people. Makes no sense. And then you turn around and kill yourself. That don't make no sense. Do the right thing and just kill yourself first. That's all I have to say about it. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the feedback. I really love the feedback from everyone on my gingerbread and jelly bean. Most of the jelly beans, females, are very active on my channel. A lot of males watch it as well, but they just low key. But thanks to everybody that watch it. Thanks for supporting it, and I hope you like, nature, trying to, bring a different style, so you guys can enjoy the outdoor, and the nice pond and stuff like that. But this is where I'm going to end it. Yeah, thanks for watching. JVLOGS, I'm out. Psh, psh.